This video from SharpHelp, we're taking a quick look at how to enable the copy receipt function on the XE-A303, 406 and 40S registers. So as standard on the machine, you can use the receipt in a couple of different ways. When you process the sale, the receipt automatically prints out, but you cannot issue a copy receipt. What you can do is turn the key to the XZ position here, press the receipt PO button there, a little dash appears on the display, and then when you process a sales transaction you don't get a receipt printout, so that's switched off the auto receipt. If a customer asks for a receipt, you can then press this button here and it will produce one receipt for the most recent transaction. But what you can't do is have the receipt on and then print a copy of the receipt that you've just printed out, and you cannot print a copy of a post receipt either. So what I'm going to do in this video is show you how to enable the copy receipt function. So I'm just going to turn the receipt back on by turning the key to XZ and pressing this button here, and the little dash disappears. And then for the programming, obviously we need the metal key marked MA, and we need to turn it right round to the PGM position. And then if you've got access to the manual, I'm on the UK version of the machine, the manual, I'm on page 71, looking at job code 63 and following the flow chart on page 68 for various function selection programming. So that's the flow chart you need to follow. So it's subtotal, job code, the multiply button, and then your code followed by subtotal and TLNS. The code is from job code 63, so that's your job code, and then this is how I've worked it out. So each letter has a numeric value. You go through the chart. Copy receipt enabled is no as standard, and we want to turn that to yes, so we're going to put 1 for value D, and then each of the others we're going to leave at the default Sharp out the box setting. So I've converted that, the flowchart on the Sharp manual, into this. That's how I'm going to enable the copy receipt, and that one there is the key one. All the other ones, so this is A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, are at the default Sharp setting. So that's why it's useful for you to have a quick gander at the manual just to double check that the default settings are what you actually want. So if it's just copy receipt we're enabling, key round to PGM, hash TMST to start, then the job code, which is 63, followed by the multiply button, comes up and says others free prog, and then you type in the code, which is 0101 for enable copy receipt, and then 0001 followed by subtotal TLNS, key back round to the reg mode. You get a little printout confirming your programming, so it's job code 63 and then the programming we just popped in. Now when we process a sale, we get the, obviously we still get the receipt printout as standard, but we have the copy receipt enabled. It's more than one copy receipt, it's possibly unlimited, but obviously normally you'd only need one copy of the receipt. And then also we can test, if we now turn the receipt off by going to XZ receipt PO, the little dash appears. So the receipt's switched off. We get no receipt now. We still get our post receipt, so that's not technically a copy receipt, but we can now also issue a copy of the post transaction receipt. Okay, hope that video's been helpful. Probably went a bit fast because it's about 4 to 5 on Friday. I'm about to finish work, but hope you're able to follow it. If you haven't got the manual, visit sharphelp.co.uk where you'll be able to download it, and that'll give you more details. You can also check out the video links appearing on screen now, and you can also subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.